Sending cryptocurrency from Coinbase to a Tangem wallet is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Set up your Tangem wallet. If you haven't already, ensure you've set up your Tangem wallet using the Tangem app on your mobile device. You should have a Tangem card linked to the app, and your recovery phrase should be securely stored. Open Coinbase. Log into your Coinbase account via the website or mobile app. Go to Send or Receive. On the Coinbase dashboard, click on the Send or Receive button. Select the cryptocurrency. In the Send tab, choose the cryptocurrency you want to send from the drop-down list. Enter the Tangem wallet address. Open your Tangem wallet app and navigate to the Receive section. Select the cryptocurrency you're receiving and copy your wallet address. Paste this address into Coinbase in the To field. Confirm the transfer. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send and review the transaction details. Confirm the transfer and complete the transaction. You may need to verify using 2FA on Coinbase. Wait for confirmation. The cryptocurrency will be transferred to your Tangem wallet once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain.